Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Control Center on the lock screen on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Settings, and in Settings, tap on Face ID and Passcode. Now we will need to put in the passcode to gain access to this section. Then go down, and in here we tap on Control Center to turn it on or off. So if we switch it on the lock screen, we can swipe down to access the Control Center. And if we switch it off on the lock screen, we will not be able to see it. And you can see when I swipe down, Control Center is not available. And that's it. So that's how you can turn it on or off on your iPhone 12 or the 12 Pro. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.